Sugar, see, I'm going out. I want to go to farm. Please, abeg, arrange fowl and rice for me. Make it. They will arrange that for me. Abeg, make I go farm. Come back. You hear me?
But you say fowl and rice. How you want make I?
Don't ask me anything. In this time, anyhow you want to go, make it do.
Biafra. Yes. I dey fly like Jackie Chan.
Hey.
I dance like they shoot gun.
Papa.
No.
Papa,
My people, now well done.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir. How una dey now?
Dey fine.
Well done.
Well done, go Shola.
I beg, I need una help small.
Shola, wetin we go do for you now?
You see, I beg, since last week I don dey find the way I go take go my farm, go clear all those weeds. I no fit go, only me. I go like abeg, make una just follow me. You know far o, we just go now. We clear the this thing. We go carry small yam come.
Egbon Shola, as in we dey hungry.
Strength no
No
dey.
dey hungry.
I hope say food go full yam for inside here. This bag go full am.
Make una no worry. Na hear me. Food no be problem. I know say my own level. No be here e be. If I say this, e dey be.
Make you know to say the wine.
No, I no.
You know wine also.
Abeg, make I go wine you. Abeg, make una help me. Please.
Better.
Thank you. Hey, Papa. Wale taekwondo.
Shola don go suffer us from far.
I must carry one yam sef to go my house.
I no dey give am sef.
Go today, make una come inside abeg. Sugar o, where this boy dey? He don comot now. Wait, Sugar.
He just give that for hand. I don tire sef. I don tire.
Now, make I do this. Let me go and bring the refreshments as I have promised lately. You go chop food. Me I go chop food.
Puma.
Go Shola.
Make we fit chop food.
How many hours you go carry food come?
Make una no worry. And the food as you do like food o.
You say person dey hungry.
Make una no rush. This food na senior by senior.
Shut up.
You see wetin? I be old man na.
Wait. We go eat time equally for here.
Okay.
It is time for us to chop. Yeah, I tell you now. Or make I carry go back.
We go eat belle food.
Na for three.
Mama keep my clothes here.
Wait. See, you know, say first thing you put God first. Abeg, somebody pray for us before we stop.
Papa, we no time for that. Sharp.
Go Shola, hungry dey disturb me. Go Shola.
I know say you dey hungry.
Na me dey say
Even
that
me sef dey hungry. Wait. Taekwondo pray for us.
No, don't. God, I beg, as we wan eat this food, anybody wey drag am with me, make I blow am with my hand.
Come on, Taekwondo. Do the honor.
Which kind of animal want you?
Hi, this boy don't kill me.
Okay.
This boy don't kill me. Which I go do this pikin?
Which kind of animal want you?
Run like a cow. Hi, but still he even put letter for me.
Wetin talk?
Papa, please remain the burn part under the board for me, please. You know, God go punish me.
Which? Now you son.
Now my
He shot you.
Go Shola, for this man wey I don go, I don stress myself waka.
No go carry
Down
the to go.
to
Abashala.
Lagos to this place. Go dey give no rice for me. Go dey give no rice for me. I no need Go Shola, no collect.
Go back. Go back.
Hey, now you go back. Now